everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time for the Friday giveaway for September 20th. Can you believe it's September 20th already? Well, I'm announcing 2 winners tonight for this opulent heart set. Each winner will get 1, so awesome. So we're going to draw a winner tonight. I've got the URL from last Friday's video here. We're going to do the keyword search. It is Friday giveaway for your entry. You can enter every day. And let's see how many entered. We have 67 entries. That's awesome. So I'm going to pull a winner. And you can't win more than once. So Jan Hudson, you won one. Awesome, Jan. Congratulations. I have your address already, unless it's changed. Right, let's pull another winner. It just have to be someone different. And it's Regina Wallace. Congratulations, Regina. Wow, this is awesome. You're going to love it. So congratulations to Jan and Regina for winning tonight's Friday giveaway. But you might be thinking, how do I enter? Well, tonight I'm opening the giveaway. You have to be 18 or older, a subscriber to my channel, because this is how I appreciate my subscribers and celebrate them. And you have to put the words Friday giveaway in the comments below. You can enter every single day. You can enter more than once if you share the video. Let me show you what next Friday's prize is. Let's see if I can get that up there. It is huge, I must say. It is a love die. It is 3.9 inches by 6.1 inches. You can make your own card, or you can have the cutout. It is a full-size die by Crafter's Companion. Sorry if that made you dizzy. And it looks like this, and it cuts out around it and inside. So I hope that you like it. It's a pretty cool die set. And I'll award 2 winners. So don't forget, Friday giveaway, 18 or older, US or Canada only, and you do need to be a subscriber. So congratulations to Regina and Jan. I will get those out to you. I have your addresses already. And have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.